What's up, y'all? As you know, there's a hurricane in California in Vegas, and we live in Vegas, so we're gonna try to make the most of it.
Yes, sir.
So we're getting these floaties. We're gonna get a bunch of other stuff, you know, maximize our time in the rainy weather in the hurricane. Hurricane Hilary on top.
I'm here with my friend, Caillou. There's Bren right there. And Samira, she's right here. She actually joined us now. And basically, we're gonna get water guns too. And then we're gonna get this like paint right here. It's gonna look like blood, and we're gonna prank our friend Jesse. Watch out. Here is us blowing up the inflatables. Say hi. By the way, we met up with Jesse. He's actually like, he's been in the past 2 videos.
Yeah, I know.
Low-key carrying.
I'm carrying, bro.
Over here, we bought this inflatable thing. We got like, we're gonna put this in the water guns. It's gonna look like blood. I'm gonna prank my friends and shoot them with it in like 5 seconds. Oh, okay. Just show. Okay, so I just filled it up with the red paint thing.
Hey, Jesse, how's the pump working?
Yeah, Jesse. Bro, guys, calm down.
Oh my god.
I'm a murderer.
Oh my god, the hair too.
It's crazy. No.
This is not fair. Dude, get the paint off. Okay, so as you can see, the weather's picking up, raining hella, but you know what? We're gonna enjoy this because, you know, it never rains in Vegas. So you know what we're gonna do? We're putting a slide. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, point at the sky.
Point at the sky.
It's like, it's getting pretty dark and it's actually...
It's coming hard.
It's coming hard. I'm coming hard.
Oh my gosh.
You ready?
It's so rain.
Oh my god!
The frisbee go.
It's Brent's turn. He's running up that hill. Stranger things. Bro! The view, dude.
Y'all ready? I'm ready to do it.
So Samira broke it and it's deflating now.
This town ain't big enough for the 2 of us.
Draw. 3, 2.
Oh, bro, it's not fair.
Oh my.
Backflip.
Both of them. None of them can compare to me, because I'm the... Take the gun up his ass.
Viva Las Vegas.
Samira.
Viva Las Vegas.
He's dead.
Viva Las Vegas.
What
Those white people.
What is 2 guns?
Get all 3 of us.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata.
2 guns. 2 guns. 2 guns.
Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. All on my own. I'm lonely.
I'm so long.
Okay, this is probably a bad idea. I'm at the tallest slide in America.
Yeah, Kevin.
Oh shit.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Kevin, you okay?
My god. Yeah.
Bro,
Now, I'm gonna go get your phone. Dude, no, that is not. No, that's dude, but it's open.
all the Mamba mentality. Okay, Kevin. Randy, is this phone broken?
No, the phone's good.
Honestly, like, okay, I'm being serious.
Turns out it was a pretty bad idea. As you can see, there's blood right there. Kind of bent the gate too. Can you see the bent gate? We're probably gonna call this one a short one.
Yeah.
And probably head back home or maybe go get some food or something. I don't
Shout
know.
out Hurricane Hilary.
Yeah, shout out Hurricane Hilary. Hashtag we on top.
Kids, don't do drugs.
What?
don't slide down a wet slide into a gate.
Don't be stupid while there's a Hilary hurricane.
Blah.
Gone. Just keep an eye on this. Like I said, any sign of infection, any concerns, come back sooner.